Here, tell us something odd here. I'm connected to the internet. I'm up to 25%, 26. This doesn't move. It says I'm disconnected. 3 bars. That usually means I'm connected, but oh, something odd. That's not working. Still at 320, but look. Uploading. I don't think it's just the hardware. I think there's something wrong with the software too. There's something wrong with that. It's going to disconnect. Yeah, I was just going to say it's going to disconnect on me. You know it does. Right. Steady, steady, steady. No reason. And that, I believe, is attempt number 5. Yeah, attempt number 5. Same video.
Impact Asia with Michelle Hussein on BBC World News.
What do you think? Is this worthy of some sort of a credit or a rebate?